Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, tire pressure monitor, front disc rear drum brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.